This is nice. Thanks for booking.
Yeah, no worries.
What's on the menu? What have they got on offer?
They've got a pretty good offering here. It's amazing how many different ways they can cook grain.
What do you feel like, Phil?
I might try the wafers spread with oil. That sounds nice.
I'm thinking cakes of fine flour mixed with oil.
Ooh, is that fried?
No, it's baked in an oven.
I was thinking fried.
What about this? A grain offering cooked in a frying pan made of finest flour and some olive oil.
This one sounds delicious. A grain offering of first fruits, fresh heads of grain, crushed kernels, roasted on a fire, seasoned with frankincense.
Oh, yum. Fire roasted fruits.
What about this? Flatbread cooked on a griddle, crumbled and covered in olive oil.
I want to try that.
Why don't I get the flatbread and you get the first fruits and we can share?
Deal. How does this work? How do we place our order?
You present it to the priest and he brings it to the altar.